Tonight, the number of cases in the state of New York has topped 44,000, 519 dead. More than 6,000 people in the hospital, 1,500 of them in intensive care. In New Jersey, there are more than 8,000 cases with 100 deaths. And in Connecticut, 1,200 cases and 27 deaths. Overall, in the United States, there are now more than 104,000 confirmed cases. That means more than 20,000 people across the country have tested positive since this same time last night. Just staggering numbers, and we are still yet to see the worst. So how much more can our hospitals actually handle? CBS 2's Alice Gaynor reports on this.
These images taken inside Holy Name Medical Center in Teaneck, New Jersey, provided to us by the hospital, give us an inside look at how they're battling the coronavirus there. Doctors and nurses suited up. In some of these pictures taken by Jeff Rode, we can see the faces, or at least the eyes, of the people fighting this head on. Many healthcare workers in New Jersey are now sick themselves. Today, a plea for volunteers.
If you have medical experience and wish to pitch in to help us get through this emergency, please sign up.
What's even more alarming is knowing how many of my colleagues are home sick.
Dr. Stavros Christoudias is a general surgeon and works at several hospitals, including Holy Name. He says New Jersey doctors are of particular concern because, according to the Association of American Medical Colleges, New Jersey ranks third for active physicians age 60 or older.
What horrifies me about our doctor workforce is that we're the oldest in the country by a lot, not a little bit, by a lot. The doctors who are going to work are very vulnerable.
As someone who performs emergency surgeries, he has another concern. He's worried about people who stay home to avoid the ER.
What about the guy who never made it in and just said, suffered at home with an appendix for 5 days? That can be fatal.
Over to New York, where construction on the 4 temporary hospitals at the Javits Center is now complete. Governor Cuomo toured it today. He's also asking for the authorization from the president to construct 4 more temporary hospitals, in addition to 4 sites already selected. One could potentially be located at the New York Expo Center in the Bronx, the others in the 3 other boroughs.
One in Queens at the Aqueduct Racetrack site, 100,000 square feet there. One in Brooklyn, what's called the Brooklyn Cruise Terminal. It's owned by the Port Authority, but it's a wide open space, 182,000 square feet. And in Staten Island, the College of Staten Island.
In New York, 10,000 more healthcare professionals have signed up to volunteer. That's retirees and students, bringing the total number of volunteers here in New York to over 62,000. Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.